Hey fam, it's your saffron sis here, straight from the saffron kitchen. Today we are diving into something that is absolutely lit, Kachi darchini. It's this epic Persian healing dessert that's perfect for those winter vibes. Seriously, it's warm, it's delicious, and it's therapeutic AF. So stick around, because we're about to do a full breakdown.
I mean, just look at it. It's literally a warm hug in a bowl. It's been used for ages to help with fatigue or to give new moms a boost of strength. In this explainer, we're going to cover everything, from its ancient roots and the healing recipe, all the way to some super cool modern AI hacks to understand it even better. You ready? Let's get into it.
All right, here's the game plan for today. We're going to start with the healing recipe itself. Then, we'll do a deep dive into the ancient wisdom and what modern science has to say about it. After that, I'll show you how to level up your cooking with AI, no joke. And finally, we'll talk about how to serve it up and share the love. Okay, first things first, let's get this party started with the healing recipe. We're about to break down all the ingredients and pro techniques that make this dish so good. So check out the lineup. Each ingredient has its own mizaj, which is basically its traditional vibe. You've got whole wheat flour for that warm and moderate energy, ghee, which is warm and moist and amazing for your nerves. Then the sweeteners are also warm and moist, great for building you back up. But the star is cinnamon. It's very warm and dry, perfect for fighting off that winter chill. And of course, saffron and rose water to boost your mood and keep you calm. It's all about balance.
Now, for the technique. First, you're going to gently dry roast the flour to get rid of that raw taste. Next, mix in the ghee till it's super smooth. Okay, key step here. Slowly, and I mean slowly, pour in warm water while you stir, that way you avoid any lumps. Then, you stir in your sweeteners and spices, and right at the end, a splash of rose water. Let it simmer for like 5 to 7 minutes, and you'll get that perfect glossy pull.
Okay, pro tip time, listen up. Here's how you don't mess it up. First, no high heat. It'll burn the flour and give you some seriously bitter vibes. Second, don't use cold water, or it'll get all clumpy. And whatever you do, do not skip that first step of roasting the flour. It's absolutely crucial for getting that deep, nutty flavor. Trust me on this one.
So now that we know how to make it, let's talk about why it works. We are going deep, fam. It's time to explore the ancient wisdom and modern science that makes Kachi so powerful.
So to really get it, you gotta understand mizaj. In Persian medicine, it's all about balance. Everything has a temperament: hot, cold, moist, or dry. Our bodies, the food we eat, everything. The whole goal is to stay balanced. Kachi, with all its warming ingredients, is designed to fight off a cold state in your body, which is why it's so comfortable. Okay, now let's put on our lab coats, because modern science totally backs this up. The whole wheat flour is packed with fiber for your gut. Cinnamon has antioxidants that can help with blood sugar. Saffron is a legit natural mood booster. It actually boosts your serotonin. And the healthy fats in ghee help your body soak up all those good vitamins. It's pretty amazing how this ancient recipe is just packed with stuff science says is good for us. Now, back to the traditional view. In Iranian medicine, Kachi is the go-to for balancing a cold mizaj. That makes it perfect for when you're feeling weak, like in the middle of winter, or when you're getting over being sick. That hot and dry cinnamon is key for fighting off that internal cold and bringing you back to life. And this isn't New Age stuff. This wisdom goes way back, like to the 11th century.
And there's another really cool layer to this. From an Islamic medicine perspective, Kachi totally fits with the idea of using natural foods to heal. It's all about moderation and balance. Using natural sweeteners is a lot like using honey, which is seen as a major healer. The whole point is to give energy to your body and your spirit without going overboard.
Okay, tech time. Let's talk about how to level up your chef game using modern tech. I'm talking about artificial intelligence. Yeah, this is your 2026 kitchen hack, and it's a total game changer.
So it's all about what's called prompt engineering. Basically, you just have to tell the AI what you want to know. You can use a super detailed prompt like the one you see here to get a full nutritional breakdown of your kachi. Calories, macros, allergens, all of it. This is so helpful if you're trying to tweak a recipe for your own health goals.
And the best part is, you can totally customize your prompts. You can ask it for vegan swaps for the ghee, and it'll give you options. You could even get wild and ask it to predict the final mizaj of your modified recipe based on what it knows about traditional medicine. It's such a cool way to mix ancient wisdom with futuristic tech.
Woo! We have covered so much today. But now for the best part, let's talk about serving this amazing dessert up and sharing the vibe.
And boom, here's the final serve. You want to eat kachi when it's warm and steamy, with that beautiful shiny texture. I love to top mine with some chopped pistachios or almonds for a little extra crunch. It's seriously the most comforting thing ever.
All right, if you love this deep dive and you're feeling the vibes, you know what to do. Go ahead and smash that like button and definitely subscribe to Saffron Kitchen for more epic Persian treats. It really helps the channel out.
But wait, I want to hear from you. How do you tweak your kachi? Do you have a secret family recipe or some special spices you add? Drop your versions in the comments below. Let's chat. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you next time.